He got it set up so nice. Girl, I got my coconut water, my mangoes, grapes, watermelon. He bought salad. Like, I am just in heaven right now. Yeah, it's a little windy, but it's beautiful. Yes, for our first date. I'm like, okay. Yeah. Okay, all right. I'll let you know how it goes. All right, girl. Love you too. Bye. Man, I am so appreciative. No one has ever gone out of their way and done something so sweet for me. Like, you have left me speechless. I appreciate you so much.
I'm glad you appreciate it. Get used to it, though.
Get used to it?
Yeah, get used to it. I ain't no fly by night. I'm here to stay.
All right, I'm going to hold you to that because I'm tired of dudes just kind of in and out. I don't know what I do wrong.
Yeah, that's not me, though. That's not me. You're a beautiful woman.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I was trying to figure out, should we eat first and then go get in the water, or you want to get in the water first? What you want to do?
Nah. Let's, could I get some grapes?
You just want to get grapes and then we get in the water?
Yeah.
Okay. Here you go. I got you. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, man, come on, man. What you doing all that for?
I thought you was a Connect 4 king.
I am. I
No,
got
sir.
distracted. The wind's distracted me.
All right,
I got distracted.
so, all right, we'll do a rematch later, but this enough.
No, I ain't no rematch later.
Yeah, you lost. I mean, unless you want to walk away and leave it that way, then that's what it is. But I'm giving you the opportunity to regain your whole you know what, don't even worry about it.
Nah, this ain't cool at all.
No, don't
This
worry
ain't
about
cool
it.
at all.
Don't worry about it. Don't even worry about it. Don't be a sore loser. Give me a hug. And that was the beginning of the end. I knew he saw my armpit hair. Dang!